Leo, this is your channel messages for the 23rd of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Leo, let's go straight into your channel song and then we'll go into your reading. So, voici.
It's over and done, but the heartache lives on inside. And who was the one you're clinging to instead of me tonight? And now are you now that I need you? Tears up wherever you go, and that leads to your ocean. You'll never see me fall apart. In words of a broken heart, it's just emotions taking me over. Caught up in sorrow, lost in the song. But if you don't come back, come home to me, darling. Nobody left in this world to hold me tight. There's nobody treat me right. Good night. Good night.
Good night. Good night, night. I wish you a stiff good night, night. You're still up tonight, you're tight, right? If you for be my man, you every day, a night, night. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Leo,
where are you now that I need you? Tears on my pillow, wherever you go, and cry me your river that leads to your ocean. You'll never see me fall apart.
let's go. I'm just sour, no blood clot. Sour. The Sun card, Leo, where are you now that I need you? Leo, look, there's tears on my pillow, Leo, wherever you go. All right, Leo, you should know this. Leo, you were my first official love, Leo. You should know this. So you should know that
the heartache lives on inside.
Ooh, ooh, Leo, let me in, Leo. Ooh, ooh. Leo, you're coming up for your reading. I'm getting you're happy, or I'm getting that's all somebody wanted to do is be happy. They wanted to make you happy. They just wanted to be your joy when you came home from a stressful day. They never want you to come home, come cuss them because you had a stressful day. They want you to come home and be like, oh, thank God I'm home. I can see you, okay? So I'm getting there's a lot of emotions, Leo. I'm getting you're getting nostalgia and you're thinking about memories. But I'm getting even though it has been a roller coaster, Leo, the good memories outweigh the bad. At least that's what you think, okay? So Leo, where are you? Are you riding kicking horses? You dirty oh. I'm sorry.
Wherever you go.
We had the 7 of Pentacles. Oh, you with the Jews. You eating matzos. That's what you doing. And to all you non-Israelites, oh no, you can't be saying that. No, you cannot be saying that. Okay, there are chosen people everywhere. But I know Hanukkah. Yay! Okay, right? So I'm getting something about some Jewish people. Are you working for some Jewish people? Leo, I'm getting some Jewish people that work together. Or I'm getting something about you're happy that someone's coming back to work. The justice card, yeah, they're gonna come back to work. Also with the justice system, somebody could actually have a new baby. You just have a new baby. I'm getting you don't even name the baby properly, or you don't know what the baby name. The baby name Ishmael. Name the baby Ishmael. Ishmael? Ishmael, come here, Ishmael. Ishmael, I tell you that when you go over there, do not go over there. Because they already tell me when you have your bat mitzvah, your bar mitzvah, they're not going to be giving money. Ishmael, come back over here. I'm getting something about the name of the child. The child name is Jewish. Name him Ishmael. Say, Ishmael? Damien. Okay, so yeah. Maybe you're adopting a Jewish child. You're adopting this kid. Because something is legally binding. We're getting something like adoption. Okay? If it's not adoption, we're getting you're coming back to work. Someone's very happy to see you there because they've been emotional without you. The Knight of Swords. Yeah, them want you start like tomorrow. Like when you come tomorrow, that's what they want. We have the Nine of Cups. Me getting is something about serving. Oh, remember them, yeah? Them want you pour wine for the Jewish people, them. Remember doing that? Yeah, they want you, when a Shabbat Shalom, and you're around the tables, and they're like, listen, let me tell you something. Jesus wasn't shit, man. That's what the fuck I'm telling you, man. Yo, Annette! Me get cranberry juice and Hennessy, you know. Maybe you're going to be attending to the kitchen. You're getting something where you work with some Jewish people, you cook for them, or you're going to be serving them. You serve them alcohol. But I'm getting somebody when you come back to work. I'm getting ever since you left, it felt like the exile. Okay, so then when you come back, all right. We have the Page of Pentacles. Also, you might be even learning a new language. I'm getting you to learn a second language. You might even learn Hebrew. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to learn Hebrew. I'm sorry, I'm the elephant who is running on graves. That's a horse. Right, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to study Hebrew. Big sweet pepper nose, blood clot, Rivka. No, don't be telling her that. Don't be telling her that she can study Hebrew here. It's for certain people. Yeah, big sweet pepper nose people. People who like to scoff your husband, dick people who I should have scoffed Mr. Cohen and get the blood clot scholarship for practice Hebrew. You think the Israelites gave up what was happening when they were on their way through exile, only eating matzos because they couldn't wait for the bread to rise? No. I should have given Mr. Cohen. I should have given Cohen the best head of my life, and he would have given me a scholarship to learn Hebrew. I would have been a chosen one. Not an onion nose one. Anyways, let me continue the reading. But I'm getting you working for these people, alright? The emperor. Right? Don't he look like Mr. Cohen? You know Mr. Cohen? Cohen? Sir, you mash up my life, I'm gonna mash up yours too. But listen, at the end of the day, never let your boyfriend stop you from finding your husband, okay? And same beard look. This is exactly how his beard look. This is Mr. Cohen. This is Cohen. Rabbi Cohen. I should have. When Rivka wasn't in the fucking room, dirty fucker, telling the guy, the Jamaican guy, say, you know, say, you can learn Hebrew in here, and if you learn Hebrew, they will pay you. Don't be telling her that while me I clean, while I'm preparing the same room where them learn Hebrew in, me I clean, me I mop the blood clot floor. Don't be telling her that. That is not for everybody. That is only for certain people. Yeah, cause your nose big like blood clot sweet pepper. You could have sent your blood clot nose got space and a satellite would have pick it up. The aliens could have communicate with Earth through our blood clot sweet pepper nose. I should have, Mr. Cohen. I should have done it. But you see, I had PTSD at that time. I was not a Tasmanian devil at that time. I had to come to Toronto to be a Tasmanian devil. And for the record, I want people to know that, you know, say Canada made me start tonso. You should know, I was submissive in my country. It's Canada me come. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Is it a lie? It's not a lie. I'm not, God, I'm telling you, if I'm lying, wipe out me and my entire family today. No, don't say that. I swear, if I'm lying that I wasn't like this before I came to Canada, kill me today. Alright? What is this? I need to read my cards, but I have cheating. Yeah, should I cheat? I should have made Mr. Cohen cheat on our dirty blood clot, sweet pepper nose. Dirty fucker. I could have been learning Hebrew. You know how many bitches I could have been hyping on? Bitch, shut the fuck up, bitch. I know Hebrew, bitch. Bitch, shut the fuck up, bitch. Shut that shalom, bitch. I could have been the third eye. Could have been anything I wanted to be. Wheel of Fortune. I'm getting luck. Luck is in your favor, okay? Don't worry. Come visit me and one more. Marriage. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, goodbye.
Oh my God.